Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mulkura Education System. What is an adjective? Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives can describe the way something looks, tastes, smells, feels, or sounds. For example, cold milk, sweet gum, big boat, loud rocket, shiny boots are the examples of adjectives and describe words. The word cold, sweet, big, shiny, louds are adjectives. Color, shape, and size words are also adjectives. Round ball, blue plane, small caterpillar. The word round, blue, and small are adjectives. She has the pink bowl. The word pink is an adjective. The word pink describes the color of the bowl. I see a big school bus. The word big is an adjective. The word big describes the size of the bus. I eat salty popcorn. The word salty is an adjective. The word salty describes how the popcorn tastes. I like my soft sweater. The word soft is an adjective. The word soft describes how the sweater feels. That was a loud storm. The word loud is an adjective. The word loud describes how the storm sounds. I have a heavy backpack. The word heavy is an adjective. The word heavy describes how the backpack feels. Now you can find adjectives in sentences. Let's read the sentence below. I have a long scarf. The word long is an adjective. I found a purple ball. The word purple is an adjective which describes the color of a ball. I will eat the sweet apple. The word sweet is an adjective. My cat has fluffy fur. The word fluffy is an adjective. Thank you for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.